Life insurance sales is heavily marketed as an accessible path to a high-paying career, completely bypassing the need for a college degree. The pitch is incredibly appealing. Get licensed, set your own hours, and achieve financial freedom while helping families protect their futures. Attracted by the promise of unlimited commissions, thousands of ambitious people sign up every single year. Yet the vast majority of these recruits walk away within their first 12 months. If the barrier to entry is so low and the income potential so high, the dropout rate shouldn't be this severe. The disconnect begins with the job title itself. Selling life insurance is rarely a traditional job. These agents are independent contractors absorbing total business risk. Look at the start of this timeline. There is no guaranteed salary, no training wage, and no safety net.
To understand the massive attrition rate, we have to look past the social media highlight reels and examine the strict mechanical reality of how these agents are compensated. People quit because they enter a brutal entrepreneurial venture, expecting the predictable safety of traditional employment. This physical policy document shows the exact metric that dictates agent pay. They only earn money when they close a deal, taking home a percentage of the policy's first-year premium. Close a massive account, and a commission check for hundreds or thousands of dollars drops into your bank account almost instantly. But miss your sales targets for 3 weeks, and your income immediately flatlines at zero, while your living expenses continue to accumulate. This feast or famine cycle creates immense psychological pressure. An agent is only ever as financially secure as their last sale. An uncapped income structure inherently carries unlimited financial insecurity. Finding willing prospects is the hardest mechanical requirement of the role. Once a new recruit runs through their immediate network of friends and family, they hit a wall. This forces them into the industry's hidden operational cost, purchasing lists of potential clients, known as leads, directly out of their own savings. This creates an intense financial risk. Agents are spending their own limited capital just to secure the opportunity to make a pitch. And if those leads don't convert, the capital goes in, the flow stops, and nothing comes out. The day-to-day reality quickly becomes a grind of calling purchased numbers, navigating objections, and absorbing dozens of rejections every week. Struggling agents don't just fail to earn a living. The cost of doing business actively drains their savings. To offset these costs, some agencies push a highly controversial strategy, shifting the focus entirely away from selling insurance and toward recruiting new agents. This is the downline model. Recruiters earn a fractional cut of every policy sold by agents they bring into the organization. The newest recruits at the bottom absorb the pressure and financial risk of buying leads, while the top tier collects passive revenue. Critics heavily target this structure for mirroring multi-level marketing, arguing that it distracts the organization from actual financial planning. For an agent who entered the industry genuinely wanting to help families, the dual pressure of buying expensive leads or recruiting their peers is usually the breaking point. Despite the attrition, a minority of agents genuinely do capture the massive historic wealth available at the top of this industry. They master the mechanics of lead generation. They distill complex financial products into simple language, and they build an unnatural tolerance for rejection. These top producers survive because they treat the work strictly as business enterprise, not as a clock-in, clock-out job. Over time, they develop organic referral networks. The reliance on purchased leads disappears, their client base grows, and their income stabilizes. They succeed because they are disciplined business operators executing a long-term strategy. The product itself serves a vital purpose. Life insurance prevents families from experiencing financial ruin in the wake of a tragedy. Ethical agents who survive the initial gauntlet build incredibly meaningful careers, guiding people through their darkest moments. The industry offers a legitimate, high-reward path for skilled salespeople, but it is brutally disguised as an easy, entry-level job. So before entering the field, you have to answer one question. Are you genuinely prepared for the grueling isolation of building a business? Or are you just chasing the mirage of easy money? In life insurance sales, understanding the mechanical reality of the job is the only real prerequisite for surviving it.